report tip of the day. Understanding your credit report isn't boring. It's a practical power move for professionals at any age. When you know what's on it, you can catch costly errors early, spot identity issues, avoid surprise rejections, and understand exactly how lenders view you. It helps you negotiate better terms, lower interest rates over time, and plan major life or career moves with clarity instead of guesswork. More importantly, it shifts you from reactive to strategic, removes emotion from the numbers, and builds quiet confidence in your financial decisions. Simply put, credit awareness is a professional skill that supports smarter money moves and long-term stability.